Do it to this car.
Okay.
Oh my god, that actually looked like a police car.
Oh shit. That one sucked.
Oh well, it's just been like, we could just be like, it was the radio.
It's your birthday, we're just trying to let people know.
We would
Oh,
just
that
say,
felt weird.
we would just say it was going off uncontrollably.
We're an OB.
What if people get into an accident?
We won't.
Then I drive fast.
Then we should be like, oh god damn, San Diego police. They were like, what's going on?
Is that a cop? Don't, over there. Oh,
Where?
Find people. Not him!
So good.
They got lucky this time. Gas station, gas station. The bum.
I saw that, Mom.
I'm just gonna hold it right here. Just be ready. But I want to shine the light on people. Where's all the people?
It's Easter.
In the crossroads.
They're at church!
Wow, there's a drink on every corner.
It was just 2 consecutive corners.
You guys, I'm just videotaping for the language because it's so funny.
You have the right to.
Do it to that car. Do it.
Hey, stop! You're being sexy!
Oh no.
There was a guy.
Him!
Where?
Hurry! He's over there!
Do it. Start it.
I don't see it.
To that car.
I want someone to react.
I want to take it to school and be like, honk, honk!
We're over there.